Hey there! Have you ever wondered how to achieve smooth, flawless skin? Well, I'm here to spill the secret retinoids. You heard me right. Today we're diving into the world of retinoids and uncovering why they are an absolute game changer when it comes to skincare. Scene script. Picture this. A magical potion that can turn back the clock on your skin, banish wrinkles, and leave you with a complexion to die for. That's exactly what retinoids do. They're like a fountain of youth in a bottle. So why do I use retinoids on my skin? Well, let me enlighten you. Retinoids are derived from vitamin A and work wonders when it comes to stimulating collagen production. Collagen, my friends, is the structural protein responsible for keeping our skin plump, firm, and wrinkle-free. As we age, our collagen production naturally slows down, leading to fine lines and sagging skin. But fret not, retinoids to the rescue. Retinoids not only boost collagen production, but also increase cell turnover, revealing fresh and younger-looking skin. They unclog pores, reducing the appearance of acne and blackheads. Plus, they even out skin tone and fade pesky dark spots. It's like having a personal skincare superhero. But don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals with various skin types have experienced the magic of retinoids firsthand. They are raving about how it transformed their skin, giving them the confidence to face the world with a radiant glow. Incorporating retinoids into your skincare routine couldn't be easier. It's as simple as applying a small amount of retinoid cream or serum to clean skin before bed and letting it work its magic while you catch up on some beauty sleep. Imagine waking up in the morning with refreshed, revitalized skin. A dream come true, right? Before diving into the world of retinoids, a quick word of advice. Make sure to start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin gets acclimated. Don't forget sunscreen during the day, as retinoids may increase sensitivity to the sun. Did you know there are different types of retinoids? That's right. From retinol, retinaldehyde, to tretinoin, each type of retinoid offers unique benefits. Retinol, for instance, is a gentle option, perfect for those new to retinoids. Retinaldehyde, on the other hand, is more potent, offering quicker results. Lastly, tretinoin, the most potent of the bunch, is usually prescribed for severe acne and skin issues. So depending on your skin concern, there's a retinoid out there for you. Explore and discover what works best for your skin. Before we wrap up, let's bust some common myths about retinoids that might be holding you back. Myth 1. Retinoids thin the skin. The truth is, retinoids actually thicken the skin by promoting collagen production. Myth 2. Retinoids are only for older people. Not true. Retinoids can be used by people of all ages to prevent and treat a variety of skin issues. Myth 3. Retinoids cause sunburn. While retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, using a good sunscreen can easily prevent this. Now that we've debunked these myths, you can confidently incorporate retinoids into your skincare routine without fear. So there you have it, the magic of retinoids. From rejuvenating your skin, boosting collagen production, to even dispelling common myths, we've uncovered the true power of retinoids in skincare. If you've been on the fence, perhaps it's time to give retinoids a try. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult with a dermatologist if you have any doubts. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of retinoids. Here's to radiant, youthful skin. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time.